Welcome students. Today in this video, we are going to discuss a very interesting and important question from the chapter of heights and distances. The question is, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So here height of lighthouse is 75 meter and angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse at two different ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, you take care of this line, on the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between the two ships. So first of all, we'll make a diagram, then it will be more easier to understand this question. Suppose here AB is a lighthouse and C and D are two ships. C and D are two ships on the same side of the lighthouse, and angle of depression from this top of the lighthouse, means from point A, angle of depressions are 30 degree and 45 degree. So whenever you will join AC, this angle with the horizontal this is 30 degree, and we will join A with the another ship D, then this angle of depression is 45 degree. So alternate angles are equal, so this angle will be also 30 degree and this angle is 45 degree. Height of the lighthouse is given here. AB is 75 meter. Here AB means height of the lighthouse is given, which is 75 meter. What we have to find out? Find the distance between the two ships. Means we have to find out this distance between ships C and D. Means we have to find out CD. Correct? So let us suppose CD is X here. This X we have to evaluate. We have to find out. So now let us see the solution. We can solve this question very easily. First of all, we'll take right angle triangle ABD. B is 90 degree here, So in this triangle ABD, or you can say ADB, in triangle ADB, let us take tan of 45 degree. So tan of 45 degree is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AB and base is BD. And tan 45 is equal to 1. AB is 75 meter upon BD, and therefore BD is equal to how much? 75. So now we have got this length BD is equal to 75. Now we will take triangle ACB. So now in triangle ACB, let us take tan of 30 degree. Tan of 30 degree is perpendicular is AB and base is BC. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 75 meter and BC is this much is X and this is 75, because BC is BD plus CD. So you can write here this is X plus 75. Now let us try to get the value of X. So by cross multiplication, therefore X plus 75 is equal to 75 root 3 and X is equal to We'll transpose this 75 to right hand side. So we'll get 75 root 3 minus 75. So this is equal to 75 will be common. Value of root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. Since 75 has already been taken common. So this x is equal to 75 into this is 0.732. Now you calculate, you multiply it, you will get the value of x. And x means CD. And CD means the distance between two ships. So therefore, distance between ships is CD is equal to 75 into this much. You will get this much meter as the answer. So you multiply these two numbers and you will get the answer. Correct? Okay. So students, questions are not very difficult, but you need a little bit practice. So practice makes a man perfect. So make a continuous practice. You will have command over this topic. So thank you students. Thank you very much for watching this video. And please subscribe my channel IQ Learning so that you could get other videos as notification. Thank you very much.